Welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Friday morning, August 8th, 2025, and we have a lineup of legal headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Davies Hothem injury law celebrates 4 years of justice and community healing in Gainesville, GA. Davies Hothem injury law commemorates 4 years of advocating for justice and community healing in Gainesville, Georgia. Since its establishment in 2021 by Christy Davies, Jennifer Hothem, and Dustin Davies, the firm has secured over $150 million in verdicts and settlements, including a groundbreaking $10 million settlement for a client with permanent injuries from a motorcycle accident. With a focus on personal injury and wrongful death cases, the firm's attorneys have a proven track record with notable successes such as a $2 million settlement for a traumatic brain injury. Beyond the courtroom, Davies Hothem supports women, children, and veterans through initiatives like the Davies Hothem Domestic Violence Legal Fund. To learn more about their mission, visit dhgainjurylaw.com. Treviño Law surpasses $55 million in recoveries for personal injury victims in Texas and Colorado. Treviño Law, led by Jaime Treviño, has surpassed $55 million in settlements and verdicts for injured clients in Texas and Colorado. With a background defending insurance companies, the firm now advocates fiercely for victims of negligence, securing notable outcomes such as a $13 million settlement for a construction accident and an $8.5 million recovery for a family rear-ended by a delivery vehicle. Specializing in complex cases like traumatic brain injuries and medical malpractice, Treviño Law offers personalized attention, dignity, and tireless advocacy to ensure fair compensation for clients facing life-altering injuries. For those injured due to negligence, free consultations are available. Learn more at dalaw.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.